Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can create a gradient color in your Microsoft Paint. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. So open your Paint application. Now I have this in my Windows. Then you will find this line. Click on that. And then you need to simply drag this like that to divide this into half. And then you will find this fill. Then you need to choose the color. So let's have orange and then place it here. And then for the second part, you will find here green. This symbol, resize and skew, click on that. And then you will find the pixels button, click on that. Make sure to click on this maintain aspect ratio. And then record the original sizes. So it's 859 and 819. You can record it in your notebook or anywhere. In your paper, and then you need to type for the horizontal one, and then we need to click on OK, and then we need to click again on this resize and skew, go back to pixels, and then the original it's 859, so let's type 859. Make sure to do not enable maintain aspect ratio, and then for here it's 819, and click on OK. And there you go, you have just created a gradient color. So that's it, as easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.